Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play that famous sea shanty, Wellerman, on a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Now, we say it has 20 holes, even though when you look at it, it obviously has 40 holes. But we treat the holes that are on top of and below each other as if they were one hole. This harmonica is in the key of C. Now don't worry if your harmonica is not in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. And if your harmonica is in a different key and you're finding it difficult to follow this tutorial, just turn the volume down and follow the arrows. Now when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Got it? Good. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 12 4 times. Blow into 13. And blow into 15 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Breathe in through 16 3 times. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Breathe into 20. Blow into 15. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, breathe in through 14. Breathe in through 12 3 times. Blow into 13. And blow into 15 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 15 twice. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 13 twice. Breathe in through 14. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 20 twice. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 17. And blow into 15 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Breathe in through 16 twice. Blow into 15. Breathe into 18. Blow into 15. Blow into 13. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 7, breathe in through 20 twice. Breathe in through 18 twice. Blow into 17. And blow into 15 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 8, blow into 15 twice. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 14. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.